the dishwasher. So what we've done is let it go through the entire cycle. Sometimes we let the drying finish, sometimes we don't, like if I need to leave the house right away. My grandma taught me this tip. When it's done washing and drying, crack the dishwasher to finish letting out any steam, and that helps prevent any sort of spots. And it also lets you double check that the packet dissolved, because sometimes if it gets stuck in that door like we talked about and it doesn't dissolve the whole way, you just run the cycle again. So we let this go ahead, and it's almost done, so we're just gonna give it that one little click there, and there's all of our perfect dishes. I don't know if you can tell or not, these are still super hot because we do not use the cool dry. So we go ahead and pull this out just about like that. And then we shut this so that there's this big gap. It's about that much in this, so it lets out the rest of the steam so that you don't get any spots on your dishes. So that's about it whenever we're getting ready to go to bed. So in the morning, whenever we get up, I will open this up the whole way, show you the dishes right before we put them away, how they're all streak-free and amazingly clean and fantastic, and how you can do it. Hey, welcome back. We are getting ready to unload the dishwasher with the dishes that we did, and we had a pretty busy morning, so we actually used a couple of the plates to eat on. But other than that, everything is still in the dishwasher. You'll be able to see all of the clear glass containers and glasses and all that stuff to see how sparkly and shiny your dishes will be whenever they get done. So let's go ahead and get going to get this unloaded so that we can move on with our day.